Hey guys, so I'm jumping on real quick to talk about this ice cold coffee brewer that I bought. I had one before this. I did not like it, but I came across this one. Absolutely love it. It's the perfect size. I can get coffee for a week. I use the coarse grounds. If you're looking for something small that can fit in your fridge door, fit anywhere in your refrigerator, this is it. As you can see, I'm an avid coffee drinker. I have an espresso, but I love my cold brew coffee. And I can even travel with this because it's so small. I spent a lot of time in Florida with my parents, so I will be taking this with me this time when I go back to Florida, so I don't have to get up every morning to go Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks to get cold brew coffee. But absolutely love it, love it, love it. Small, I love the color. It's sleek and it gets the job done. No mess, no cleanup. Just take the filter out and you have your cold brew coffee. I hope this review helps.
The piece came right off as I went to pull it out to